Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Woodforest mobile banking application on your iOS device. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Woodforest and search. Look for this application from Woodforest National Bank and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Woodforest National Bank's mobile banking application is a convenient and feature-rich option for managing your finances on the go. The application has certain benefits such as money management, bill pay, security, account access, and so on. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to launch Open Woodforest mobile banking application on your iOS device. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.